level. It's 2 levels.
How do you know that?
I know the horn.
There's a different horn for each?
Yeah. By the way, just said that in the video.
I know, I don't really care. I don't know anything about
care.
trains. I just started this, okay?
Yeah.
Don't bother.
That's nice.
Which side is it going on? That side?
Yeah, far one.
Do I understand this?
No, I don't.
Why?
Cops come after you, busy dicks.
Where's the cops?
They come randomly.
Oh, you missed it. Let's go in. Wave to it?
Yep.
Oh, damn. Let's take a video of that car. This is amazing.
I've been waiting for this moment for months, and it's finally here.
What is that, like I feel like that had a bomb and it's just gonna explode. Like Ray almost got killed. It feels like we're moving away from it.
I know. Still have another beauty.
What type of a train was that?
Multi-level with a PL42AC. I like to call it a POS 42AC.
For any reason whatsoever?
What?
For any reason?
Because they're crap.
They're crap?
Yeah, they're like run like crap.
What the hell was that sound?
The rail's vibrating.
How's it rare? No, not that.
You never see that. Oh my god, it's coming too. Oh my god. There's no 5s. It's not a 5.
What is it?
Holy crap.
I'm gonna going on the outside also?
Yeah, it's going on the outside.
Wait, how do you know that?
I can see him. See?
But from that far away.
Oh, I already know.
They're always going on that side?
On weekends, any train going that way is that side, and any train going that way is on this one.
I should do this.
Yes, you should. Yes, you should.
Take my flip. I need a tripod for my flip though.
Yeah, not everybody. I just started using a tripod like 2 weeks ago. So, you know, I don't think it matters really.
Say hello to it.
Hello!
A friendly welcome would be nice.
Friendly welcoming.
Oh, they're waving back.
They're waving.
Hoboken. I think that's a girl driving it.
Really?
Yeah, I actually think
I'll
so.
find out in a minute.
Oh, that's that rare one you were talking about.
Holy shit! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! We need the number.
5341.
Yeah! Holy shit! Holy shit! You got the video.
I got in it?
Yeah. It's a piece of shit.
A piece of shit? What are you talking about?
Not you.
I said, what is it?
Kind of. I'll tell you that.
Beautiful.
I know. I'm gonna zoom out in a second.